Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. It's Tim. It's breakfast for one today. Now, I just showed you guys some pics of some coupons, and you know, when we finally do open back up as a country and you finally get to go back into the office, you may just be tempted. You know, I'll just go pick up a sandwich on my way to work. But let's be honest, the time it takes you to detour, to go to the restaurant, to the fast food thing, put in your order, wait through the drive-through pickup line, get your food, you're about 10 minutes in on your commute. And that's 10 minutes in addition to it. Well, guys, it doesn't have to be that way. If you've got 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can do a sausage, egg, cheese burrito for one. We're going to have it done in 10 minutes. You can wrap it up in foil, but obviously I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm going to enjoy it. When it's all said and done, I'll have it plated, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with y'all. Thank you.